Sudoku time. We got clover. 5 is alive. Jumping back a couple weeks. Okay, normal Sudoku rules apply. Digits do not repeat in cages. Within each cage, the sum of the digits ends in a 5. So it's either 5, 15, 25, 35, or 45. Okay. So normal Sudoku rules. 1 to 9 in the row in every column. And 3 by 3 box. And then, okay. So this has to add up to 5, 15, or 25, 35, or 45. Same with here, same with here, here, here. Okay, so these all have to add up to 5 because otherwise this would have to be a 14 and this would have to be a 13. Okay, so then that's going to be 4, 4, 3, and 3. And then this has to be 16 or 6, so they have to be 15s, right? I think. $15, 15, 5, 5, 5, 5. Because if this was to add up to a 5, this would have to be a -4. And if it was to be a 25, this would be a 16. So I think that works. Okay, so then we have 1, 2. Then we have 3, 8, 3, 5, 7, and 8. It'll be 5 and 7. Okay. So I think this has to be a 3, 5, 7 with the 8 here. Because otherwise, right, 3, 5, and 7 would be 15. Because otherwise it would be 8 plus 5 would be 13. And a 7 would be 20. Okay, so the 8's going to be here. That's not an 8. So then this is a 3 with a 5, 7 pair. That's 12 plus 3 is 15. Okay. Then this is 8, so that would have to go up to 15. So we need this to add up to 7. How can we do that? We can't be 1, 6 or 3, 4. So it's going to be a 5, 2, 2, 5. So that can't be a 5. So that's going to be a 7, 5. And this can't be a 2. So that's going to be 5 and 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. So then we need 6 and 9. This is 9. That'd be 2. 11, so this cannot be a 4, so we're going to do 6 plus 2 is 7. No, 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 7 is 15. So that would be a 9. Okay. Got to do some math, baby. 1, 4, so that's 3, 9. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be 5, and that's now an 8. 2, 3, 4, 5. So this will be a 6, 7 pair. Can put 4s here. If this is a 4, that'd be a 3, so that's 7, so you need an 8 here. That would work. Okay, then I can do 9s down there. Bing, 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 bing. Okay, slowed down real fast. 5, 5. So 5s would be here, which puts this as a 5. Okay, so this cannot add up to 25. It's impossible. So this would be a 15. So we know those add up to 10. So it could be, let's see, 1, 9, cannot be a 2, 8, cannot be a 3, 7, or a 4, 6. Actually, it could be a 3, 7. Yeah, 1, 3, 7, 9. There's just, that cannot be a 3, so this cannot be a 7. That's a 4, so this would add up to 11. So it can't be a 1, can't be a 2, 9. Could be a 3, 8. That can't be 3, that can't be 8. 3, so it can't be 4, 7, or a 5, 6. Okay, so that's 8. 8 and 3, so that's not a 3, so that's not a 7, so that's a 1, 9, so that's not a 1, that's not a 9. So I have 3, 4, 1, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then this here is a 1, 8. So I have 1 there, 8 here. 1, 2, 3. So I can pencil mark 4s, 5. All right, let's just pencil mark the hell out of it. 6, 7, and then 9. 4, 6. So we know 8s are here. This is 1, 5, 9. That's not 5. 1, 9. So 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. So this has to add up to 10. Okay, so if it adds up to 10, can't be a 1, 9 because 1 and 9 are there. Can't be a 2, 8. Could it be a 3, 7? It can. Cannot be a 4, 6. So it's a 3, 7. Easy enough. That's not a 3. So this will be an 8, 4, 3. And then pencil mark 4s there. Then 1. Okay, so this should add up to 12, right? Yeah, it has to add up to 12. So let's see. Cannot be a 9. So it could be an 8, 4. Guess that could be 8. Cannot be 9, 3. It could be 8, 4. Cannot be 7. Can't be 6. Can't be 5. So yeah, this is going to be an 8, 4. 4 there, 8 here. So like that. So this is the 8. That is not a 4. So this is also not a 4. Which places this as a 4. So is that. Okay. Then we need 1 and 2. So if this is a 1, that'd be 5. This would have to be a 10. So this is going to be 2 and a 9, which puts 6, 1. 1 and 6s. That's a 1 as well. So we have 9 here, 1 here. That's not a 9. So 9 is down there. Okay, so then 4. This cannot be a, could this be a 2? That's a 2, that'd be a 9. This is a 6. This would have to be 5. So this is going to be a 2 and a 9, which puts a 6 there and 6 there. So that's 7. We're getting there. So that becomes a 2, 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This needs to add up to 7. So it can't be a 2, 5. So it's going to be 1, 6. And then this, okay, 2 there. Ooh. Hello. Got a little thunder. All right, so then I can pencil that. Don't have to pencil mark actually. That's 1, 2, 3. So then we 4. This becomes a 5. 3, 4, 5. Then we need 6 and 7. This 6 is there. So we have 6, 7. So that's a 7 as well. That's a 2. All right. There 1. Didn't see that 1. 6, 1. So that's 7, 6, 7, and finish off with a 3. All right. Yeah, 822. I'll take that all day. All day.